Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today we're going to do this mold here in several different ways. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've gathered all the stuff together. We've got the UV resin with the brown alcohol ink going in the little deer here. We've got red going in here. I'm going to brush this one. I've got the glitter going in this one. I've got the green going in this one. And I've got the chameleon color here going in this deer. So let's get started. And I will start at the top. Down a little closer to me. First time I'm using this mold, I got it off of Temu. You know, that's where I get 90% of my molds. I'm sorry, I thought I hit record, but I realized I wasn't recording. I've already mixed up my black and I put my glitter in here. I've got a little bit for the green. I haven't got the green mixed up yet, but I'm doing the red and I've decided to put a little bit of glitter, a little bit of silver glitter in it to make it pop more. And I need to mix up my green, which I haven't figured out which one I want to use yet. What's this? Thought about using the glitter green, but I don't want it to mess with that green. But I think I can do that. I think that'll work. Okay. Yeah, we'll just mix some glitter green in here. Let's get started. And the resin I mixed up is the gentian resin. Should be up on my screen. Oh, that's going to look lovely, I think. I'm not going to fill it all the way to the top. You don't have to if you don't want to. I know they're deep molds. Okay, let's see. I just used the black mica powder in my resin here and stirred it up real good. Let's let that move around. Get all in all the nooks and crannies. I'm going to get him into his antlers. To be careful not to scratch the mold because it will take that mica powder right off. Just trying to encourage it. I'm just using the top layer. Just to encourage it in there. I have so many new Christmas molds this year. It's crazy. I'm excited. And you'll see you'll see them. Because I plan on doing all of November and all of December and Christmas. Or up until Christmas from now on. Yeah. And as you know, if you're new here, I put out videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you're new, please subscribe so that you know when they come out 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Glad to have you if you're new. Please subscribe. And all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I know I've said subscribe about 1,000 times. Maybe it's subliminal. Maybe you'll subscribe. Okay, here we go with the big heart. This heart is so pretty looking. Add a little more black to this since I have it. Oop. Oh, wait, duh. I just filled up a little bit of it. I'm doing good today. Why didn't you tell me? Almost. Almost had a problem. I know I said I wasn't going to fill them up, but I have it, so why not? There we go. Okay, I will see you on the demold. It's demolding day. Let's go ahead and get these out of the molds. I want to see what they look like. Remember, I did the different kinds for the different ones, just to see how each one would turn out. And just get them out, and then we'll look at them. Wow, this one's hard to get out. I'll save that for last. I didn't use any heat on them, so it shouldn't have a trouble coming out. Okay. Well, if you ever get this mold, just know that this one's a hard one to get out of. Not even letting go. There we go. Oh, how cute. That's pretty. It's got all the sparklies. Oh, that turned out amazing. I like that. They did fall to the bottom, but that's okay. Oh, that turned out pretty. Got a couple of bubbles in it right there and right there. I should have known. That turned out pretty. And any one of these you can either drill in the top and put a little eye hook in it, or you can, hang it on your tree if you want to hang it on your tree, or a keychain, or you can make these into just little standy things because they do stand. If you make them thick enough. This one doesn't, obviously, or these two don't, but the trees stand, and so does the deer. That just gave me an idea, but you'll find out later. I like these trees. That heart is gorgeous. I know a heart doesn't really necessarily belong in Christmas stuff, but I really like that heart. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share and hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel. And thank you all for watching. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye for now.